Hi, I'm going to show you today how to install a filter pad so you can start working with your new oil filter machine, the Filter King. So it's very simple. All we do is unscrew these, open the filter rack like so, get your filter pad, scratchy side up, soft side on the bottom, place it inside the filter tray, okay? Let it stick out on one side because this is going to let you allow you to pick this up and roll it when it's dirty and throw it right in the garbage. So it doesn't matter which side sticks. You can have this side or you can have the other side sticking out, as long as one side's sticking out. And then what you're going to do is you're going to close it. You're going to flip these up. You're going to tighten it by hand. You don't need to use pliers, but they do have to be very tight because you want these metal, the top metal rack to impinge on the filter as tight as you can. Okay, so that way it doesn't circumvent your filter. You're gonna also notice that on the bottom there's two rubber gaskets. These should be changed once a month, or if they're ripped, make sure you change them. They come out very easily. Just squeeze and you'll see that little opening. Pull it right out and swap it. These rubber gaskets will prevent every drop of oil to circumvent that, not circumvent the filter and go back into the fryer. So this is very, very important to get good oil filtration. And to put it in, all you do is you aim the filter rack, the male part here, the rubber gaskets right inside the tank here where there's a hole there in the bottom. Just place it in like so. Push it down gently until it goes in place. And then the screen basket on top. Always use the screen basket when you're filtering because this will catch the big debris. And then the bottom filter will catch the very fine sediment down to a microscopic level. And you're pretty much ready to filter. Thank you very much for watching and purchasing a Filter King machine.